Namaste. Hi, welcome to the brand new Karma Yoga Center at 1760 South Broadway. We're here and in, and we wanted to give you a little introduction to the new Karma and a tour here in a moment.
First, we want to say thank you to everybody, because there's no way this would have pulled off in the short amount of time that we've done this in. And it is really short, that's for sure. And we would like to say also thank you to all the people who came in and put in time painting these walls, doing carpentry, doing schlepping, lots of schlepping, and the donations. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Amazing.
So we want to start with a little tour. Starting on the outside, we gave it a little facelift, some new trim and paint. Welcome on in. This is our community center. Hoping for some good community vibes to happen here.
And welcome into the beautiful new studio space, a much more larger place, but still feels cozy and at home. We feel we can get up to 40 or 50 students, beautiful light from our bay windows, and lots of room to practice yoga. This is our new tiger wallpaper and a back door out.
The meditation room will be offering tea cow ceremony and of course a quiet place for meditation in general. We also have Coco Khan installed. We're happy for that. And then we have our farmers market kitchen. We'll be offering food, grab and go style from local merchants. Looking forward to the nourishment provided there.
And this is the new Ayurvedic Spa room with Shirodhara hot oil drip and Abagonia massage and other healing modalities.
Next up, we'll enter into the Shaman and Mermaid healing room. We'll have counseling sessions, astrology readings, tarot, and other treatments as well. And then through the imaginary double doors, this is our YTT room. We're still a work in progress getting things up on the walls, but this will be where we have our 200 and 300 hour classrooms, as well as sacred geometry classes, and our watercolor classes we'll be offering soon.
And this is our retail space here and into our coat room for yogis to hang out. Welcome to the cozy living room and fireplace.
We also have Michael's new book out, I Am the Snake in Laketch, and we hope to see you in here real soon. Thanks for listening.
Moment, and we're letting you know our grand opening is Saturday, March 14th. We're having lots of events in the afternoon and evening. Come check them out. They're free, from music to poetry to haiku to snacks and ceremony and gathering together with all the people. We have a teacher training kicking off in just 3 weeks. Our 200-hour YTT starts March 27th, and we also have just a few spots left for our 300-hour teacher training starting in Mexico, and that's April 10th.
Then we have a few desk positions open, so if you're interested in getting a membership for free, talk to me and we will get that going as well. The other thing we want to say is happy spring. It will fall during this report. Our theme this month in our installation is New Beginnings, as we are doing one here, Karma 3.0, our third iteration of ourselves and last iteration. And so, New Beginnings, happy spring, and we are so grateful for everybody coming into the studio and helping us out. Namaste.